Hi, thanks for tuning in. This video is about a 1930s international water truck that we rescued from a yard. This truck was parked here about 30 years ago. You can see the trees already growing into it. To my surprise, almost all the tires were holding air. And this comes with an antique Hardie water tank, and this is a 1930s International Harvest C-35 truck. As I said before, it was here parked about 30 years ago. You can see it's already inside the ground. It was a lot of work to dig it out, but we have to start, so let's dig it out. First, dig out the tires, and we laid down some boards for the trucks to be able to roll. We fill up the tires with air, and they all were holding air, so it's starting to pulling it out. And it's moving. You can see it's an International C-35
Ya se movió.
water truck. Parked here 30 years ago. The truck is very original and it's very complete, and to my surprise, as I said, almost all the tires were holding air, but it's pretty complete and it's in good shape for the fact that it was here parked and left to the elements for 30 years. This has an antique water tank, Hardie, and also a sprayer in the back, and everything looks pretty complete. This was the only tire that was not holding air, but all the other ones were holding air. And that's where we were able to roll it out. It's just a beautiful antique truck, and I can't wait to see it restored. It's a 1930s International water truck. I believe it's somewhere between a 1932 and 1937. But as I said, it was parked about 30 years ago, and now we got it out. Here you guys can see it a little bit better. It's a dually truck. As I said, I believe it's a 1932 and between 1932 and 1937 International water truck, and the model is a C-35. You can see the instruments. And everything looks pretty complete. It's a cleanup. I opened the hood and I checked the engine oil, and the engine oil looked very, very good. And the engine was turning. So we hope this one is gonna run soon. But you can appreciate here. The front was shopped to make it a roadster truck. You can see the clutch, the brakes, and the antique Hardie water tank. It comes with a sprayer and hoses. You can appreciate it here a little bit better. We opened the tank and the tank had water on it. Now it's time to go. You guys can see it rolling. Imagine 30 years and only one tire was not holding air.
¿Y así?
It took us a lot of time to dig it out, but we finally did it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.